Hi friends, I am Sai Chesnia. Welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to show you friends whether the Google Pay Map application works in the Honor 9X Pro device or not. And before starting the video friends, do subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru and also do check the links in description friends for the playlist of Honor 9X Pro device. So where you can find plenty of ways to install the Google Play Store services. So recently I did plenty of other applications as well friends. Even you can find the playlist for the Google app markets and other tricks how you can install in the Honor 9X Pro device. So there is a PUBG Battleground playlist as well. So all the videos will be clearly categorized into the each and every playlist friends, so which makes your life easier in terms of searching for any mobile phone. And let's get started with this new type of question I am receiving recently is that Google Maps, will it work in the phone or not? As you can see friends, so many users are very curious about this Google Maps, will it work in the Honor 9X Pro device or not friends. And first let me show you my device properties before actually telling about the Google Maps. So as you can see, this is a Chinese version of the Indian model friends, so which has same kind of Kirin 810 processor and 6 GB RAM and 64 GB variant friends. So the reason why I'm showing this before itself, because this is a Chinese variant and definitely this should work even in the Indian version as well. The reason why, because even my phone doesn't have any Google Play Store and Google Play services friends when I bought the phone. So I figured out other ways to install and definitely this worked later on. And that's why I'm showing the Kirin 810 processor as well. So at least you will have some kind of hope that this will work even in the Indian version as well. So definitely friends, this should work in the Indian model as well friends. So I have used the Google Play Store services to download the maps. In case if you cannot figure out the Google Play Store services, you already have 3 different app markets, so which I did reviewed in my channel. And for those APK files, you can check the Telegram group for the APK files. So let's get started friends. In the APK Pure, I downloaded the Google Maps using this APK Pure, and is the Google Maps application. Let me try to open the application here. So as you can see friends, it's working fine without any problem. So right now I'm in the Australia friends here. Even I did a separate video on whether you can use the payment applications or not, so do check that video friends if you are interested. So it's working pretty fine. There is no problem or any forced stop or closing the application, so which is also another good advantage. So let me even try it, start typing the directions as well, so you will know exactly. As you can see friends, so satellite view also is on, so everything is working fine. So overall the Google Maps works pretty fine in the Honor 9X Pro device without any problem friends. So the reason why I'm mentioning the Honor 9X Pro, because this is the same kind of Indian model which is released all before in the China. So even this model doesn't support any Google Play Store services. And don't forget to check the links in description friends for more interesting videos, so you can find very useful videos on Honor 9X Pro. So see you in the next video friends. So definitely the Google Maps is working fine without any problem, as you can see clearly. So that's it for this video. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.